how to share a PowerPoint presentation or a PPT file whilst you are in a Microsoft Teams meeting. So, hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can share a PowerPoint presentation with all of the participants in a particular Teams meeting. So, in order to start, the first thing that you gotta do is join any Teams meeting in which you want to share the particular PowerPoint presentation. So let's say I want to share my PowerPoint presentation in this particular Teams meeting. And when I say that I am sharing the presentation, it does not mean that I'm going to share my screen. Instead, it means that I am going to share the actual PPT file to all of the audiences. So how I can achieve this is fairly very easy. All you will need to do is simply click onto this chat option right here at the top, and once you have successfully clicked onto this chat option, you can see that here I can chat with all of the participants of the meeting, and here you will see this attach files button as well. So simply click onto this attach file option, and if your file is in the cloud, you can choose this cloud file, or you can upload from this device as well. Now let's say this is the particular presentation that I want to share. So I'm going to select it and click onto this open button. And now you can see that my PowerPoint presentation is here with the anyone with the link can edit this as well. And also I can type in a particular message as well, and then I can click onto the send button, and all of the participants of this meeting will receive this particular PowerPoint file, and they can simply click onto this in order to access or open its contents. So that's how easily you can share a PPT file with the participants of a Microsoft Teams meeting. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.